Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change tempo in Logic Pro. So let's get straight into it. Now look at the display bar at the top center of your screen where you see some numerical values. So if you click on that, it will open up a tempo window where you can adjust basically a tempo. And as you can see, if we move this circle right here, the value will change. You can also use numerical right here, so you can just type in some numbers just like so, and when you are happy with your new tempo you can just press done and the whole timeline will adjust to this value which you set up right now. And this is basically pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.